Привет, друзья! It's your Russian teacher Alicia here again. And today we will explore a really fun topic, how animals sound in Russian and English. You might think animals sound the same everywhere, but every language hears them differently. Learning these animal sounds is a great way to practice pronunciation and understand Russian culture, because Russians really use them in songs, stories, and even jokes. Свинья, 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 свинья. Let's start with pigs. In English, pigs say oink, oink, but in Russian, pigs say хрю-хрю, хрю-хрю, хрю. Try it with me. Хрю-хрю, хрю-хрю, хрю. The sound h is like in the Scottish loch. So the English pig goes oink, oink, but the Russian pig says хрю, хрю, хрю. A very cute sound, right? Собака, 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 собака. Next, dogs. In English, woof, woof, or bark, bark. In Russian, it will be guff, 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 guff. Repeat after me. Guff, guff, guff. We sometimes say taf taf for small dogs, like tiny puppies or chihuahuas. So guff guff for big dogs and taf taf for small ones. Кошка, 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 кошка. Cats are almost the same in both languages. In English, cats say meow. In Russian, they say meow, meow, shorter and softer. Meow. Not meow, but quick and gentle. Meow. Петух, 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 петух. Now the funniest one, roosters. In English, cock-a-doodle-doo. In Russian, it will be кукареку. Say it with me. Кукареку. This one always makes my students laugh, and it's great pronunciation practice. Корова, 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 корова. Cows are easy in English. Moo. In Russian, they say moo. Almost the same, but longer and deeper. Try it. Moo. Great for practicing the Russian vowel oo. Овца, 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 овца. In English, sheep say ba, ba. In Russian, they say be, be. So ba becomes baby. Nice and simple, and it sounds a bit like baby, doesn't it? Утка, 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 утка. Ducks in English say quack, 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 quack. In Russian, it will be кря, 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 кря. Birds in English tweet, 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 tweet. In Russian, птица say чик-чирик, чик-чирик. So sweet. Чик-чирик, чик-чирик. This is the bird in Russian. Лошадь, 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 лошадь. Horses sound different too. In English, horses say neigh. In Russian, we write it as igogor. So say it with me. Igogor, igogor. It sounds like the rhythm of a gallop. That's how Russians hear a horse. Igogor. Лягушка, 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 лягушка. Now frogs. In English, frogs say ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. In Russian, frogs say kva, 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 kva. Repeat after me. Kva, kva, kva. A short, simple sound and very common in Russian children's stories. Мышь, 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 мышь. And finally, mice. In English, mice say squeak, squeak, squeak. In Russian, they say beep, 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 beep. Try it. Beep, 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 beep. Very tiny, soft sound, just like a little mouse hiding in the corner. See how fun is this? Every language hears animals differently, and it tells us a lot about sound and culture. So when you learn Russian, don't just translate. Listen, like a Russian. It helps you sound more natural and native-like. Which animal sound was your favorite? Tell me in the comments below. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss more fun Russian lessons with me. Спасибо. Пока-пока.